Hello then. I'm going to show you how you might start to rethink about how you can approach your function definition. So what I have here is a function named convert, and it takes three parameters: name, age, and an address, right? So when you are calling a function like this, you pass in the name, the age, and the address, right? The problem with this style is once you miss the order in which these function expect the parameters to be passed, right, it's going to result in an error. And if we are doing a mathematical calculation, you can imagine if all of them are numbers, it's going to work all right, but it might result in a logical error or wrong calculation. So that's is prone to such errors. Another way you might want to think about doing this, especially once you have three or more parameters, is using object destructuring, and it's more readable and doesn't depend on the order in which the parameters are passed. So what you see here, the curly braces, is using object destructuring, and it allows you to extract. What you see here is the object, right, and it has a name, age, and an address being the object properties. And using object destruction enables you to define a such that it extracts these properties, and then you can make a call to the function using this style. So here you have the name, the age, and an address. It works just like you would do it for the top one, right? Except once someone comes across, they know this one is the name, this is the age. It's self-documenting that way. And once you bring the age first or the address first, it doesn't really change the behavior, because as long as the value matches up to the property here, this name, has the same value, you know, it will work just like you would expect. So once you have more parameters, and you miss the order, it doesn't really affect the behavior of the function. It works just as you would expect it to be. And then you can either call it this way, or once you have the variables defined, you can make a call this way, right? It works the same way. Or in a much shorter syntax is to pass the object properties. Like if you have it as the name, the age, and you have to repeat yourself like this. You can do it this way, and this is the same as this one. So it's called object destructuring, and you can use it to define your functions.